I do not have a definitive explanation for the nature of reality, but here is one perspective to consider. From a physics perspective, everything we perceive as solid matter is actually made up of atoms and subatomic particles. At the core of atoms are electrons orbiting a nucleus of protons and neutrons. But when you go deeper, protons and neutrons are also made up of even smaller particles called quarks. Essentially, it's particles all the way down. These subatomic particles can exhibit properties of both particles and waves. According to quantum field theory, particles are really excitations in their corresponding quantum field that fill all space. So, in a sense, everything we see as solid matter is actually made up of fluctuations in underlying quantum fields of energy. Matter is concentrated energy, and energy itself is considered to be a property of the electromagnetic field. Electromagnetic radiation, like light, is also a disturbance in the electromagnetic field. So, at a fundamental level, matter and light are different manifestations of the same electromagnetic field. In that sense, the apparent solidity of matter is something of an illusion. Everything we interact with is ultimately made up of fluctuating quantum fields with energy. So from this perspective, everything around us is essentially light or electromagnetic radiation, confined and condensed into different forms. Matter emerges from energy, and what we perceive is an interpretation of various disturbances in the quantum field. So while this doesn't definitively say reality is light, it provides a perspective where the distinction between matter and light is less clear-cut.